What is up, people? It is your boy here, Triple S Storm, and today I'm gonna be telling you guys that if you guys are considering gaming, PC gaming, which one of these options is probably the best option for you, whether it be gaming on a gaming laptop or gaming on a desktop, which would basically be a gaming desktop which you put together. Now, first off, I'm going to start off by telling you guys what each of these entail and basically how much you'd probably pay for one of these in Jamaican dollars and again differently, what are the advantages and the disadvantages to each one of these. Starting off with a gaming laptop. Now, a gaming laptop basically would have a battery which would basically help in the case of a certain company JPS in case a certain company should make the power go out, or in case if you have to be gaming on the go, you can always bring your laptop with you so you can be playing your games in the car, at work, on your lunchtime, any time that you can get the time to actually pull out your laptop, you can actually be gaming. Now, one of the disadvantages to having a gaming laptop is seeing that gaming laptops or laptops in general actually come with their hardware already integrated in them. You can't really change the parts, you can't change the processor, you can't only change things like upgrade the RAM and pretty much change the hard drive. Can't change the graphics card, the GPUs cannot be changed, and for majority of the laptops, the CPU is actually bolted onto the board, so you can't really do anything to that. Now, when it comes to the gaming desktop, now one of the advantages to a gaming desktop is the fact that you can actually customize this gaming desktop to your liking, meaning you can change the motherboard, change the processor, change the GPU, upgrade the graphics cards, all that stuff. You can pretty much make it as powerful as you need to make it for whatever purpose it is that you need to suit. Now, with each of these options coming in, it'll be more expensive to make a better gaming desktop as it is, contrary to making a simpler desktop where you can probably make a simpler desktop for somewhere around 15 to 25,000 Jamaican dollars, whereas making a gaming desktop would probably clock in somewhere around 35 up to at least 70 to 80,000 Jamaican dollars, depending on how powerful you want this gaming desktop to be. Now, in terms of backup power, again, just in case if JPS decides to kick the power, you can actually use a Forza backup battery, standby battery system, or you can use any other form of UPS system to actually keep your system up for a while, up until utility power is restored. So that's one thing that eliminates everybody saying that with a desktop, whenever the utility kicks, the desktop dies instantly. You can actually use a backup battery to prevent this from happening. Now, gaming laptops are pretty expensive, especially in Jamaica, because prices have been hiked, shipping prices have been included, taxes have been added, and then stores add their own markup. So you'd probably get a gaming laptop somewhere between 45,000 to about $60,000, depending on where you're buying, whether you're buying from a larger retailer like Quartz or What's New or a different third party store, then you'd probably get it at a different rate. Each rates vary. Some places actually sell them cheaper, somewhere between 35,000 upwards. As for a gaming desktop, now you can actually get a gaming desktop anywhere between $45,000 upwards to about $87,000. And depending on if you're making it, it might be cheaper or it might be a bit expensive, depending on the method. If you're buying the parts from a reliable source, which will actually be selling them to you cheaper, or if you're actually ordering parts online and then having them sent down to you, which will have to pay shipping and clearance fee. So this comes down to the deciding factor as to which one is better. Is it better to own a gaming laptop, or is it better to own a gaming PC desktop? And honestly, for me, I'd say it is better to own a gaming desktop than it is to own a gaming laptop. And the main reason I say this is this might just be my personal opinion, but the reason I actually say this is because over the course of the years, each year, more and more upgraded, more and more upgraded parts will be released for um, desktop and laptops. And buying a laptop in, like, let's say now 2016, 2017, that laptop will actually be old within the next 6 months when another laptop comes out with the latest software for that year. And eventually your laptop will get old and will be unable to process the newer games and the newer softwares which will be coming out and will be demanding more from the system, versus when you'd have a desktop where you would highly customize your desktop to pretty much run the current systems and the current requirements to run each game and software perfectly. And then each time when something new comes out, you can easily well just sell a part from the system and replace that with a newer part which you would buy to meet your need. So with the desktop, it's the ability to customize each individual part and make it your own personal beast, which is what actually makes the desktop more reliable and a better choice over the laptop. And again, laptops tend to have tons of problems, like, for example, ribbon problems where opening and closing the lids actually causes problem, hinge problems where hinges actually get damaged, ribbons get torn, screens get damaged, keyboard stop working, mouse stop working, all of that stuff. And it's normally just, sometimes you don't even have to move the PC, the laptop from the area that it is, but you'd still have these problems. So yeah, that's another thing. Also, it is a lot easier to clean desktop than it is to clean laptops, because all you have to do is just remove the sides, vacuum it out, blow it out, or just use a toothbrush, clean it out, and you're good to go. While as with laptops, you're gonna have to pull down the entire thing. You're gonna have to tread here carefully around wires, smaller parts, and pretty much just go around there and see if you can get it cleaned and not destroy anything. Anyway, guys, that's just my personal opinion, and that's just my view on which one would be better. And if you guys actually think that gaming laptops are better than gaming PCs, or that buying a gaming laptop would be better than building a gaming PC, please leave your opinions down in the comments. Please leave a like if you like this video. Please share this video. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this. This is Triple S Tom. This has been a gaming PC video, I think. Anyway, guys, I'll see you guys in another video. Take care of yourselves.